Right people, so welcome back to another video. Cold start day on the R32. We're going to be driving 2 hours up north to Liverpool today. It's going to be like, say, a handling upgrade kind of video. I'm fixing some of the bodges on the car. Apologies about the lack of uploads in the past week. I have been trying to keep it consistent here on the channel again, but you know, weather was crazy. Tanked up the car, saying 230 miles. I did actually have to drive a bit yesterday, so it's dropped down to 230, but yeah, we'll see how long that lasts. I've got a bunch of parts in the boot. I don't know why I'm showing you this angle, but yeah, they're in the back there. But what I'll do, I'll stop rambling and explain the full sketch to you once we get up to Liverpool. R32's inside, so we're at DW Tuning today. They fitted the springs on my M2 a few weeks back. If you follow me on Insta, you will have seen. So I thought it'd be rude not to bring the R32 down and get a few handling parts fitted on it. So here with Dave and Gaz as well. Trust me, they work so fast, I'm gonna have to film every little bit. The thing will probably be done in 10 minutes, but yeah. So
that's if everything comes off.
Everything comes off, yeah. So I kind of made sure to bring a few extra little bits like top mounts and stuff, because I know Mark 5s are rusty most of the time. We've got some H&R lowering springs and also TTRS top mounts. Now, a little trick, if you got a Mark 5 and your top mounts are knocking, just go for TTRS ones. They're barely any more expensive, but they're a bit more stiffer. So I've noticed a difference on the grey one. I did have these fitted. I didn't really make a video, but yeah, TTRS bits on R32. So this is Dave's car here. I believe he's going for pure turbo soon. It's already a beast as it is, but yeah, you know about the F80s. A couple of Leons here as well, TFSI gang. Normally that's me, but today we bought the VR6. I've got a bunch of stuff at home ready to go on, so we are going to decat this. It did arrive, but need to get it fitted and then mapped all in one go, so we won't just whack it on. It's probably going to ruin the sound, I'm not going to lie. It is quite loud already.
Yeah, it sounds mega really.
Yeah, so these guys heard me from all the way down there. Heavy lump going in the air. These things weigh about 1600 kilos, these things. I'll wait till it's fully up, then I'll show you a few of the bits that were done earlier on the week. Could have just done them today, to be fair, but I thought the car was going to get tuned this week, so I got that arm situation sorted, because I didn't want the car sitting bent on the dyno. If you did watch the previous inspection video, you will have saw that the wheel gap isn't the same on both sides, or wasn't the same. We're going to change these today, and this. We're going to change both in one go. We'll do these bushes as well and the ball joints. Might as well just do it for good practice. Got all of these parts here. So, gone for Passat aluminium arms. And we thought whilst we're at it, we won't put these bushes on, we'll go for Powerflex anti-lift kit. What do you reckon, Dave, then?
It's a little bit crusty. And I think it's had shocks at some point in its life.
Yeah. I suppose nearly 170k in it. Probably a bunch of stuff changed on this. Still got rear arch liners. How's the light behind there? Normally you can get a bit of rust on Mark 5s back here, but that isn't too bad. It's not brown, so it looks, still can see the red through it. So I did want the anti-roll bar to fit today, but I couldn't get hold of just a rear one in time. Otherwise that would have been nice to chuck on today. Improve the handling even further, but I've been noticing R32 parts are a bit harder to find than GTI stuff. So yeah, more on the Passat arm situation. They are off just a standard Passat in the aluminium. So the S3 actually comes with aluminium arms at 8p, but you can get just Passat arms and they're roughly the same thing without the kind of Audi tax. It's actually an upgrade for these, so it's not like you're putting a worse part on, you're actually upgrading. Is that the rear spring? Yes, it's broken.
On the driver's side.
Yeah,
standard.
Bit of deja vu from my grey GTI, the exact situation where the right rear spring was snapped. So there you go. But yeah, make sure you are subscribed if you are enjoying the R32 content. We are going to have a fair few mods coming. This is pretty much the start of it all. Thought we'd get the basics sorted. Alright, so second spring's coming out.
One piece, mate.
One piece.
Hey. Just about though.
Just about, yeah. Rear springs looking nice. The front ones, I was saying earlier in the week, I'm gonna go stand outside the unit when the spring compressor comes out. I'm not a fan of spring compressors, man. I've watched too many of them, YouTube compilations about spring compressors. But I know he's got the proper one, yeah, so. Yeah, look, it's got cats in it.
I thought that might have been chopped off.
I see a weld.
Have they been hollowed out, do you reckon?
See a weld from, unless that flexies.
Possibly.
One or the other.
Because them flexis are meant, aren't they, really? No, they sound pretty dense then.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah, they don't. It isn't that raspy in it, so I assume that they're still in there.
The bearings fell apart,
Okay.
which will be got new ones.
Right, so here's both front shocks assembled, H&R springs and the TTRS top mounts looking fresh. As we saw, the old bearing on one of them was a bit mangled, so this will do the job. So far so good then.
Well, he just said that the grand
Yeah, so we'll have to cut something off. New drop links too. Thought I might as well put them on. All this arm and everything just proper shiny now, which is a nice sign. Brakes still in good nick. See, for the cheapest R32 it's not that bad. Well, now it isn't too bad. I say that when we collected it, it wasn't a bag of nails exactly anyway, so see much worse. Yeah. But you can tell straight away, man.
Needs a slight space now, doesn't it?
Yeah, on the
Just a
back.
small space there.
The fronts come out quite a bit, I've noticed. The back ones could do with slight. I don't want it to rub though, I've noticed these Mark 5s rub. See, that's why you come and see Dave and Gaz, man. So at the car in like 10 minutes. They do a lot of BMWs, obviously they fit LSDs on M140i's just every day. So definitely do come and check these guys out. And they'll put their Instagram everywhere as well. Look, I've driven 2 hours, you might as well drive 2 hours as well, even if you're at Brum. Most of you are up north anyway, from what I can see. Cold start, I'm guessing. Actually, it's warm, that is.
Yeah.
Gotta be done. Yeah, that looks a business, that does. Yeah, that drops perfect. Xenons will come on as well. Dave's just going to take you for a little rip around the block. Let's check everything. I want him to go have a bit of a rip in it as well, because I told him blip the downshift, he's doing it. We are going to align it as well. Yeah. Can't beat it, man. Cannot beat it. What do you reckon? The noise is crazy, isn't it?
It's loud.
Yeah, yeah, it's properly loud. It echoes off all of this. I could hear you blipping it as well. Right, that's it. Safety test passed. Alignment tools are coming out. Get this wheel pointing straight. Got all the gear here, haven't you?
All the gear, no idea.
Nah. There's plenty of idea here.
Get the other V6.
Oh yeah, we've got another V6 here making a bit of noise. VAG group of V6s today. That makes a nice sound, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's on a Miltech kappa.
So like a little explanation of what's going on here then, basically.
So what we do is we basically make a box around the car. So
Okay.
the gap between there and there has to be the same. Well,
Right.
it has to be the same on the back,
Yeah.
and the front has to be the same on each side. And it has to be through the middle of the wheel.
Oh yeah, of course.
And then you just take measurements, basically,
Okay.
to measure the toe.
About 18 and a half then, don't you?
Yeah.
81.
81 there. 70, 80.
That straight perfect wheel. Right folks, so just pull out the unit. Thought I'd give you guys a little point of view drive around the block. Right, get this open. Nice air to see. This is what I wanted, man. I can't remember the last time I drove a Mark 5 with a straight wheel. Trust me, you guys need to check out DW Tuning, man. You need to come see these guys. They they know their stuff. Hopefully no one around here is going to wonder why I've got a GoPro stuck to my head. But you know what? Yeah, this thing drives bang on now. I think it's safe to say we have definitely fixed the R32's biggest issue. You can just blip downshifts for days. I mean, this car does not drive like a, what, 167,000 miles. It just feels like a little tank, man. Right folks, I think we'll wrap up the video here. Hope you enjoyed it. We finally fixed the R32's handling issues. The car's aligned. It's all ready for a few more bits to be done. Definitely do come and check out Dave and Gaz's place, so DW Tuning. But yeah, make sure you do drop a like on the video if you did enjoy it. Follow me on Instagram as well. And of course, subscribe for a lot more content to come. But yeah guys, take care and I'll see you in the next video.